Hi, I just sent 1,200 USD to my account and it's not what you think. A few days ago, I hopped on a challenge to explore Toronet and it got me building a Web3 wallet and connecting a store. This is what I'm going to try to explain to you in 100 seconds. Before we start, I'd like to say Toronet is an EM-compatible blockchain designed specifically for real-world financial inclusivity, natively supporting both cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies like USD or Naira. That's smart talk for it's a blockchain that allows you to build apps with regular money, so your users don't need a PhD in crypto to buy something. So, usually, building Web3 apps sucks and you have to learn Solidity, fighting with MetaMask injection,
Don't let him hit you. Get out of the way. Punch him. You know what I'm going to tell you.
I gotta punch
You
you.
got to punch him more.
and paying outrageous gas fees just to beg your users to write down a 12-word seed phrase on a napkin, though eventually lose. But what if you could build a gorgeous decentralized wallet entirely in Flutter without writing a single line of backend code and connect it to a web store? Now that's what I attempted, and here's how it turned out. Okay, so first off, very easy. You visit pub.dev to get the Toronet library or the SDK. You add that to your prospect or YAML, and you instance it as your main.dart. By that, you're getting ready to implement or create the app. Now, we are possibly definitely not going to use the mainnet, so it's best we use the testnet in order to test with fake money. The next thing is fetching fiat or crypto. Now, it's very easy. Toronet natively aggregates this. You have one API call that returns fiat like USD and Naira alongside your crypto. So this is how you do it. The next is your transactions. Peer-to-peer settlement occurs or happens in milliseconds. We take our active wallet's private key, slap it to a recipient's address, and fire the transfer currency method. No complex smart contracts calls needed. You can even use the Toronet name service TNS to send it to a username like Xander or Xander store instead of a scary OX blah 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 address. One thing to also notice or note down is that it also supports cross-chain bridging. If your friend is stuck on Binance Smart Chain, that's not an issue. Toronet has a native bridge which is built into the SDK, and this is how you interact with it. But wait, the goal wasn't just to build a simple consumer app. What if someone wants to build a web store or a simple vending application where they sell things and they hate to build wallets? We could use deep linking to turn our Flutter app into a central wallet provider. We intercept a custom deep link and instantly pop up a gorgeous transaction approval screen over any app on the phone. On the website side, when a user clicks buy now on a pair of sneakers, the site generates a deep link payload. It specifies the amount, the recipient, and the callback URL. The user types in their PIN in the Flutter app and we sign the transaction, and then we kick them right back to the website with a transaction hash appended to the link. The website verifies the status, which is success, and shows a glorious checkout complete screen. So with the help of Toronet, we have thus built a decentralized wallet ecosystem, connected it to an e-commerce store, bypass Apple Pay, obviously, and become a Web3 infrastructure provider. So you can grab the source code of this in the description below, and you can also access resources linking to Toronet, specifically on how to use Toronet to build applications like this and even better ones.